When working with Excel charts, you might encounter situations where you want to add or remove specific data points without having to delete the entire chart or recreate it from scratch. Excel provides an efficient way to manage the data displayed in your charts. To remove or add data to an existing chart, the first step is to select the chart you are working on. After selecting the chart, you need to go to the data selection settings. This allows you to choose exactly which data you want to include or exclude from the chart. For example, if you only want to show data for product A, you can remove product B and product C from the chart's data source. Simply select the corresponding data series for product B and product C, then remove them. Once you confirm the changes by clicking OK, the chart will update and only display the data for product A. You can also filter the data by months or other categories. By selecting specific months in the data selection dialog, such as January, April, and May, you can control which time periods are shown in the chart. This gives you flexibility to focus on the most relevant data for your analysis. If you want to add new data to the chart, go back to the data selection settings and click the plus sign to add a new series. Enter the name of the new data series and adjust the data range as needed. This way, you can expand the chart by adding new data points without needing to recreate the entire chart. Finally, review how the data is displayed in the chart, ensuring it reflects your intended presentation. These simple steps allow you to manage your Excel chart efficiently by adding or removing data directly within the chart structure without affecting the original dataset.